This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, and a few cloves of garlic. Don't forget some good quality olive oil, vegetable broth, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your diced tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Once your soup has simmered and the tomatoes are tender, it's time to blend. Use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer to a regular blender. Blend until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust seasonings, a little more salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar. For extra luxury, stir in a splash of heavy cream or milk right before serving. Your delicious homemade tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve it warm, perhaps with some crusty bread for dipping. A sprinkle of fresh basil or a drizzle of good olive oil makes for a beautiful garnish. This simple recipe proves that the best comfort food is often made right in your own kitchen. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including a fantastic car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.